Welcome to Tales by Green Wolf, episode number 6. Oscar, would you like to say hello to your friends? Hello friends! Hello friends! Would you like to make your own Oscar today? Before that, I want to tell you some facts about the octopus. The head of the octopus is called the mantle. And these are his tentacles. Did you know the octopus have 3 hearts? Yes, they have 3 hearts. And what is amazing is their blood color is blue. Shall we start making our Oscar now? Let me tell you the things that you would require. Colorful socks, some cotton, rubber band, of course googly eyes, glue and a pair of scissors. When we are using scissors, always be very careful and allow your parents to help you cut things. So shall we start? I'm going to take my pair of sock and cotton and make it into a ball, just like this, and stuff my sock, just like this. And the head of the mantle of our octopus is ready. To tie it up, we use a rubber band. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. And the mantle of our Oscar is ready. Next, with the rest of your sock, with the help of your parents, cut them into 8 pieces. After you cut them, they will look like this. Now, we have to tie the ends of every single piece into a knot. Let's start. 1 and 2. Are you counting with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. And the tentacles of Oscar are ready. Now the last part is to give him 2 googly eyes. For that, use your Fevicol and fix the googly eyes onto Oscar. 1 googly eye. Allow it to settle. And the second googly eye. Wow! And my Oscar is ready. I hope you enjoy making your Oscar. I would love to see a picture of you and Oscar sitting on your shoulder or on your head or simply on your palms. Send me your picture on the email ID which is down below. Until next time, which is next Monday, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!